Here I have listed your steps to finding the local maximum or local minimum. Step 1 is to type the function into your calculator. Here I have used the function x squared plus 4x plus 2. So first we want to type it into the calculator. Step 2 says to determine whether your function has a minimum or a maximum. If it has a top, it's a maximum, and a bottom is a minimum, or it could have both. Let's take a look at ours. If we hit graph on our calculator, remember, usually in the standard window, we can see on our function that we have a bottom to it. So this function would have a minimum. Step 3 says or the maximum using your calculator. So we're going to go through our calculator. We're going to hit send trace. That's where we access these things. We're looking for a minimum because it has a bottom, so we go down to minimum and hit enter. Notice that it says left band has a question mark. That means we want to go to the left of where we think the minimum is. Hit enter. Now it says right band, so we want to go to the right of where we think the minimum is. Hit enter. Then we want to guess. So we want to go where we think the minimum is, right here on the bottom. As close as you can, and hit enter. And it tells us on our calculator that our minimum is negative 1.999998. It's the x value. The y value is y equals negative 2. Now the minimum is actually listed, the minimum and the maximum are both actually listed in terms of y. And that's what our last step says. It says list the minimum or maximum using the y value in terms of x. So for this one, we would actually say the minimum is negative 2 at x equals negative 2, because for all intents and purposes, negative 1.99999998 is actually negative 2. We can round on that one. So again, we would list it as negative 2 at x equals negative 2. So that would be our minimum for that particular problem.